Okay, everybody, we are ready to come home from vacation, but last but not least is our kitchen and home decor category. You definitely always need more stuff for your house. Things get worn out, things get broken, things you didn't know you need. You see me unbox, therefore you must buy it. So we're going to go to the kitchen and home decor category, and I'm going to show you all sorts of fun things and also give you a sneak peek of some of the last few things that we got to do. We did get to go to Universal Studios, and so I'm going to show you a short little clip of some of the things that we saw when we were there, but stay tuned for that. And I'm also going to give you a promo code for everything in the home decor category, which is a massive amount. So you can get 20% off of everything in the category, and it has 5 total pages, 12 items on each page, and oh my goodness, it's like half of what's on Hooked on Pickin is this discount code. You can use it today or tomorrow. So only Saturday and Sunday for this discount code. So check it out at hookedonpickin.com. All of the links are down in the description below. But before we keep going, let's go ahead and look at what can you get the 20% off on. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here's our home decor category. I'm going to go ahead and show you each and every item in the home decor category. We're starting at the end of the category so that you can see some things that maybe you haven't seen in a little while. And we have discounted a lot of the things that we have just seen not move quickly, just simply because they haven't been in recent unboxings. Of course, you can always get a home and kitchen Pickin's mystery box, and you can get the various sizes. They start at $24.99, go all the way up to $74.99, depending on whether or not you want a small, medium, or large. You always get more than that in the box. All right, so here's your Pickin's mystery boxes. We have various different kinds. Then we have a multicolored 2 foot by 3 foot woven cotton area rug. Really, really pretty. Lots of kind of natural tones in that for $9.99. Then we have our 2 set of pyramid planters. 'Tis the season to plant some plants, so $19.99. You get both of them with the stands and the little blue cups. Really cute. Then we have our Hasbro Malapity Vintage Coffee Cup. Don't worry, I'm going to give you a promo code for all of these, so stay tuned. It'll pop up in the corner after a little bit. Baseball chip dip glass bowl. It's baseball season. Let's get this for hosting. It's really, really cute. It's got all the little dots for spectators. It's got a hot dog, popcorn, a baseball bat. How cute is that? $9.99. Alrighty, let's go ahead and check the next page. Then we've got our leaf display things. You can put little trinkets in there. And then we've got teal distressed stoneware bird decorations. You get to choose your style. One is facing forward, one is facing sideways, or buy both. You get a tiered votive candle holder. We have a bunch of these. These are really cute. They can hold little votives, 2-inch or 3-inch ones. Then we, of course, we have all of our fun signs with funny sayings. If you're doing some fixing up in your house, the Paint Runner Pro is great. Here is an LED flush mount ceiling light. Really cute. You just mount that to the ceiling and it's flush. So if you have a low ceiling in any of your rooms, this is really great and super duper bright. We have a touchless sensor bathroom faucet that we got brand new in perfect working condition. Our 2 different types of flashlights are available. Hooked on Pickin magnets, Marine Corps magnet, and Don't Tread on Me magnet, all made specially for our store. Then we have our touch-free tool. We have a boat whistle, which is really cool. It's got a little anchor on it, very nautical. Then we have a mini bird planter. Look at that cute guy. And here's one that kind of goes along with it, mini round chicken planter. Then we've got our glass vase with wine. Don't put wine in it, with wire. I read that wrong. Wire, $12.99. Tan mini bud vase available there. And then we have a shorter glass vase with twine. So those are really cute. This is a really neat camping pan. So this is actually huge. It's 23.5 inches, so almost 2 foot across. Great for cooking on a campfire. Then we have the pet feeder there in the home and kitchen category. This is it's a hide-a-key butterfly welcome stone. So you put that right by there, and it has a little compartment in the bottom, secret compartment, where you can hide a key for someone. Then we have our strawberry scented tea lights. You get an 8-pack there for $3.49. Our beautiful cutting boards. They are lenticular cutting boards, so they have different pictures if you turn them a different way. $9.99 for those. And then I believe we have a Paris cutting board as well. So we have the New York and the Paris. Here's a ceramic table lamp, really pretty. A nice design piece here. A little triangle brass finish end table with all the measurements. We've got a holiday lighted finial. It's actually rather large. It is, let me see, So it's battery operated, but it's a pretty big size. Then, of course, we have our baby bouncers, our TNT Minecraft rugs, our gold throw blankets, our mop refill, our Everspring reed diffuser refills. We've got wet wipes, face shields, battery charger for a Hoover. We've got mantle clips. We've got Glade 2-pack of pine candles, some more Glade candles, some more candles. This is a neat kind of soda carrier caddy. Command strips with foam clear strips there. We've got some journals. These are for Latino Heritage Month, and so both of them have Spanish things on them, so that's neat. Then we have a decorative hook. This is a really nice Project 62 Target one. Very sleek matte finish on it. Then we've got a little Santa with sleigh, crepe paper, an antique copper wrought iron tool kit. This is very beautiful. So we ordered these specifically. They're really nice kind of tabletop lantern fireplaces, but you can also put them outside, take them camping, LED. You can also just put them on the floor for a nice kind of fire scene. So it's really cool. We have a lighted tree house. This is really cool. So you turn the light on and the whole thing lights up. So $19.99, very whimsical. Then we've got our resin birds on the red truck, papaya passion candle, LED puck lights. These are really good linkable lights. You plug it in and no wiring needed, and you just mount them to the bottom of a cabinet or inside a wall or inside of a closet, and they light everything up. We've got the pineapple lily candle, purple sands. These are awesome. So these are little ice cube makers, but they fit into water bottles. So it's an ice tray. We have the yellow and the green silicone ice trays available, but they're really, really cool, and you get 2 of them in each pack. We've got a couple of our aprons, Crumb's Kitchen Farmhouse cotton aprons available. We've got an expandable straw, perfect for your purse. We've got all of these thermal totes. So we've got the 4 different designs of these thermal totes. They're typical lunchbox size. Our stainless steel straws. Then we've got this really beautiful ocean size quilt. Our pilgrim figurines, our gold deer, grateful, thankful, blessed sets of plates. We've got our little sterno lanterns, $5.99 each, and you choose your color. This is a beautiful firefly cylinder shaped emergency power light. So this is great for camping or just a nice night light, but it has 3 different settings where it's kind of a dim light, a really bright light, and then a flashing light. So it's kind of handy. We've got your 2 different hearts that are made of metal that you can choose from, our big, huge shoe planter. We've also got all of our decorative house little figurines. We have all these styles available in stock, so go ahead and pick one. So these are the larger shadow boxes. These are the smaller ones. Then we've got our acorn salt and pepper shakers. We've got our Christopher Robin Hallmark display case with the old school classic Winnie the Pooh. Then we have our, we're going to get to that promo code, don't worry, but you haven't seen these things in a while. So we've got these rustic, simple, natural brown bird feeder set of 2. These are great to put outside. We've got this, it looks like a block of wood, but it actually has a battery operated compartment for the clock in it. It's really cool. We've got 2 different styles of these clocks available. So we've got the Pray 24/7, and then I think we have one that says Pray Without Ceasing. Let me see, we'll get to it. Then we have our set of 3 little angels, and so you're going to get all 3 of them for $19.99. So those are really pretty as well. We've got berry and oat candle, Make America Rational Again coffee cup, Land of the Free America coffee cup. We've got 4 different color leaf plates, a 4-pack that you can buy, really great for displaying on the table. Little tiny monk garden set, very whimsical, fairy-like. This is a motion activated chirping bird with stand. You can choose your style of bird, and the bottom of the stand has the battery compartment, and as you walk by it chirps. It's really cute. Then we have our 3-pack of gold buck deer, so these are really pretty as well. We have, this is a beautiful quilt that we purchased brand new, $24.99. It's 50 inches by 60 inches. It's got the scalloped edge. I know it's kind of got a fall theme, but it's so soft. You should definitely check it out. Then we have this Hallmark display, 100-acre wood map, also goes along with the Christopher Robin one that I just showed you. So that's really pretty as well. All right, a couple more pages and I'll sneak that promo code in there, and then I'm going to show you a little clip of some of the things that we got to see at Universal Studios Orlando, Florida. All right, then we have an ornate square small pot, 5 inches by 5.5 inches, only $8 for this cute little pot. We have a metal cast iron wall cross. We've got some fish hooks. Yep. You got to have hooks on Hooked on Pickin, right? Then we have a memo chalkboard that's available, really cute. Ornate carved cross for a wall decor. Really cool metal antique looking vases. You can pick from either style, the square one or the round one. Get as many as you want in each. Then we have some mini vases in various different colors, little bud vases. You get to choose your color. This ornate carved cross is also another wall hanging. It matches this one really well, so you can put them together if you wanted. This is a really cool under desk keyboard mounting system. So if you just don't have enough room on your desk, you can also put this keyboard mounting system with the little pad on it and the little mouse spot. So if you have a small desk, this is really, really handy. So $50 for that. Then we have the Time to Party magnetic letter light up message. We have 2 different kinds of signs here. You choose your style, Bless Your Home and Amazing Grace. Really cool wall decor there. Then this is a cool index card box. It's got all these little dividers and fun things for, and a little nice hard cased in NYX covered box. And then it's got a little elastic to hold it tight. All right, if you're interested in any of these items, you can use the promo code HOME and you get 20% off only for today and tomorrow. And so for today and tomorrow, you get this promo code HOME. We may still have some of these items at full price, but if you want 20% off, here you go. Gone Fishing Night Light. We've got this awesome metal bear block light. This is super, super cute and cool. Nice silhouettes there. Then we've got Southwest placemats, set of 4. All of these things kind of go together. Then we have a blanket and a sham with the fleeces, sham with a fleece. Choose your size. And so we do have various different sizes. We have a king, a queen, and 2 pillow shams. And if you want the whole set, just buy each one. So your king is $34.99. Your queen blanket is going to be $24.99, and your 2 pillow shams are $14.99 for both of them. So, and it is in that pattern, which matches your placemats. We have these cast iron wall mounted branches for extra hooks in your house. Cool Santa Fe bedding set. This one is king size for $45. You get everything you see there in the picture. Then we have some more cast iron items. This one I think is hilarious. Well, when pigs fly, there you go. You get a 5-hook wall rack there. When pigs fly, they're on your wall. And then we have the door knocker, which is really clever. The cast iron bear. The cast iron cross with nails. It looks like railroad nails. Then we've got our Dove wall decor metal chime for $13.99. The clear tall glass base bud vase. And we still have so much more to look at. Don't worry, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of some of the things we saw over at Universal Studios too. So this is beverage napkins, orange and green. We got Halloween tissue paper, 2 different kinds. We've got a Minnie Mouse set for toddlers. We got different kinds of Firefly Marvel characters for toothbrushes. You get to choose your kind. And then we have a Harry Potter tin zipper pencil case, so it's actually metal, so really cool. Then we have this pencil case, 2 different colors of Crayola, you choose. Then we have our Opal House kitchen towels, 4-pack with hearts. We've got a set of 3 organizing books that we'll be selling. Then wood geometric wall clock. That's kind of cool. No numbers or letters, but any math teacher that teaches geometry, I think, needs to have this in their room. Metal Star toothbrush wall holder. A fleur-de-lis battery operated candle there, and it is quite tall, so there's the measurements for that as well. And then on the next one, here are a lot of our intricate little figurines. These are super awesome. So you actually get to choose which style you want, and so you can choose them this way. So you click on the listing there. Looks like on this one we only have the bear available, but we've got some more on order. $3.99 for these little figurines, and they are 4.5 inches in size. And then we've also got, like, these are the busts: eagle, wolf, bear, and horse. And then we've got some other ones as well. So this one, we have 3 available: tiger, elephant, and giraffe. But you're also welcome to check any of these, because by the time you watch this video, we may have more in stock. Of course, you got to have pandas. You get to choose your style. And so there's 4 different styles: one that's looking straight, one that's sitting, one that's eating a leaf, and one that's looking upward. And so you choose your style there. Same thing with all of these dogs. The cats, you get to choose your own style. These pens are awesome. So there's 6 different styles of pen. Ones with the shields at the side, some with the shield on the ground, some that are in white, some that are in silver, some that have no shield, some that have a sword in the front. And so just go ahead and look at each individual picture and choose your style. We also have helmet keychains for kind of that medieval look. Got some crayons available there, some bungee cords, some storage boxes, some scissors. Everything you need for your house. We've got beautiful vacuum insulated thermoses. These are brand new. These are also wide mouth thermoses, really cool. Wipes for the home. Look at this beautiful knife set. They're blue and it's brand new. Comes with this cool clear knife holder. We also have aluminum, ball aluminum cups instead of the red Solo cups. We've got aluminum cups. We got some cooked up cleaner. We also have a hair trimmer kit. Got some froggies. We have a Mary, Joseph, and baby nativity woodlight carving. We've also got a bear with a snow globe. These are, I love, animal salt and pepper shakers, and you choose your style: the pig, the bear, the rooster, and the owl. Then we've got the nativity clock available there. We just added some of these to our store. So we've got the Philips. These are some Christmas lights that we had available, and they're various different prices. So you check out all the Christmas lights. Here's some little battery operated fairy lights. Great for listing anywhere. We've got a Thomas Kincaid throw. Really pretty. We got some Star Wars coffee cups. We've got some Opal House string lights, really pretty spring colors. And then last but not least, we got some more of our Christmas lights on there, and mantle clips and such. So Philips lights, just like that. Some window clings, some disco balls. These are really cute, even though they might be Christmassy. They're nice little candles. So you've got all of that available. Use the promo code HOME. Make sure you put that word in so that you get it all off, the 20% off. And just like I said, I'm definitely going to show you exactly what we did on our trip. And so here is a glimpse of some of the things that we did while we were on our trip. So we showed you Disney yesterday, and so we're going to go ahead and show you. So we showed you Disney yesterday, and we're going to go ahead and show you Universal Studios. So here you go. Here is our Universal Studios kind of slideshow for you guys. So it's just going to be a quick flyby, but we had a blast. We'll be on our way home, and if you've ordered anytime this week, all of your items will be shipped on the 13th and 14th. So we're going to try to do our best to kind of catch up on all of the shipping, just so that you guys can get all your stuff. But just be aware, anything that you order will not be available until the 13th or 14th. As far as shipping it out. All right, so go ahead and buy all our things with all of our 20% discounts. And I hope you guys had a blast watching all of the fun videos and all the stuff we did on vacation. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.